What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Saitama, the We Are Saitama token. We're going to be looking at their incredible rise to meme coin fame that they had back in 2021, reaching a $7 billion market cap, where they sit today, and my outlook on the Saitama token. If you're part of the Saitama community, hit that thumbs up, guys. Let me know in the comments. Do you think that Saitama will reach an all-time high during the next bull run? Say yes or no in the comments. I read through all comments. And let's get into it. We are Saitama, currently at 395,000 followers. I'll start off with something positive about Saitama because recently they just hit year two. They completed 2 full years of existence, heading into year 3 right now. And guys, this is a huge milestone because, as you know, a lot of the tokens that launched back in 2021, I would say about 95% of tokens are non-existent. A lot of these tokens, like Shibnobi, have dissolved their companies. A lot of tokens with the developers, main developers, have left the ecosystem, like Lillian Finance. Saitama continues to build during a pretty cold and dark bear market that we saw. Now, this is the website, saitamatoken.com. We're going to take a look at all the utilities that they've launched here in the past 2 years since existence. As you guys know, when they first launched in 2021, they were a meme coin, right? They've moved away from the meme coin sector. They wanted to become more of a professional token and altcoin, and they've launched some utilities. So they have their SITA card, which is your crypto card, similar to Coinbase and Crypto.com. They have their token, obviously, the Saitama token, SITA Pro and SITA Swap, which are their decentralized exchanges. They've rolled out SITA Logistics. I believe this is launching soon. I don't think there's a token tied to this per se, but I believe it's like a shipping company that you can use cryptocurrency. So if you send a package on USPS or UPS, you can do it with SITA Logistics. I believe that this is actually launched, or it's going to be launching here pretty soon. SITA Realty is another token that they have, and Fang is their NFT marketplace. Now, I do have to give credit. The marketing for Saitama has always been very, very, very professional. Elon Mansour, aka Aaron Saitama, is the chief marketing officer, and the websites, the material has always been very, very, very top notch. Now, the Saitama token at a glance, as you guys know, they migrated to V2 back in July of last year. They currently have a 4% tax total, so 2% in, 2% out. And you can see here the token is currently trading at a $37.5 million market cap today. Now, there's a few things I want to touch on here. This token, back in the peak of the bull run, guys, was trading at a $7 billion market cap. For those that don't know, Saitama had all the attention in the world. They were really probably the biggest competitor to Shiba Inu besides Dogecoin. Now, they have fallen to a $37.7 million market cap. A lot of tokens fell during the bull market, but Saitama definitely took a larger hit than most tokens. Now, one thing that's concerning when I'm looking at this chart, guys, is there's only 30 transactions on the Saitama token today, right? The volume is around $13,000. I know a lot of people will say, yeah, but a lot of the transactions are coming on the decentralized exchange. But if you look at SATA Swap, the spot volume is only $27,000. So will more volume come in as the bull market picks back up? Probably, right? This team is continuing to build. They have utility. They have use case now. They're on year 3. The marketing looks good, but it is concerning sitting here today, seeing that the volume, there's only 30 buys and sells coming in. And Saitama's not alone, guys. A lot of these different tokens have less volume, especially as this new meme coin phase has come up. More people are investing in newer meme coins. It's something we're seeing, but I wanted to point that out because 30 buys and sells. I mean, this token used to get $20+ million of volume today, currently at $16,000. Now, some interesting things. It looks like MK Saitama, Manny the Hitman, seems to be one of the lead developers here for Saitama. We also see Aaron Saitama tweeting a lot about Saitama. We've kind of seen Russell take a step back. It looks like he hasn't tweeted in around a month. May 25th, it looks like he did an AMA. But hasn't really been as active. Russell used to be very, very active for the Saitama team. Probably just taking a little bit of a break. Obviously, the bear market's been slow. Taking a little bit of a break. He was very, very active during the bull market. Now, Saitama's sitting at a $37 million market cap, dropping down from $7 billion. Do I think it's dead yet? No, obviously not. This team is continuing to build. They're continuing to release utility. It still has a strong community, but we are going to need a Hail Mary, right, for Saitama. I think when the bull market does pick back up, a lot of these tokens that launched in 2021 that have lost hype will make a recovery if they have a utility, the community, and they continue to build. But it will take a miracle, in my personal opinion, for Saitama to reach its all-time high during the next bull run. That's my personal thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What are your thoughts on the Saitama token? Do you think it will reach an all-time high? Do you think it will not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll read through all the YouTube comments. Also, hit that like button on your way out and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.